Welcome back to the Paint Hustle, where today I've reversed my car into a pickup truck because obviously I can't park. So we're going to fix it. Let's start off by trying to take the dent out. Okay, I've got it jacked up. My little jack is holding on for dear life. I'm just going to try and hammer this out a little bit, strain it up, and then we're going to have a lot of fun with filler. So let's see if I can just get it even a little bit better. It'll just make the job easier. It's safe to say I've not got a job in paintless dent removal. We're going to go the old school method. We're going to fill it, we'll rub it down, see where the high spots are, and hopefully it'll look like new again. That's all sanded down with 80 grit. Man, you can hardly tell, can you? What we're going to do now is put about 52 coats of filler on. So we'll start with the first and then rub that down with 80 grit, and we'll be able to see where all the high spots are, and we'll just keep tapping away, filling, and you know, after a while it should be looking all right. The sculpturing's going alright. This is coat number 4. So what we're trying to do is keep rubbing it down, and then eventually I'll be able to get this line back in here, and then we can prime it. But this side weighs another extra ton with all that filler, but we'll keep going, and I reckon, yeah, a couple more coats of filler and we'll be pretty close. Okay, this is where we're at. The panel has all been filled. It's, you know, it's pretty straight. It's a lot better than before. Next comes the hard bit. So basically what we've got to do is match the colour. And this isn't no like ordinary colour, it's a 3-stage pearl. So it's very difficult to match. So what that means is, basically a 3-stage pearl is, you've got to paint the base coat on, which is just a bright white, and then after that you put the pearl on top, which gives it that nice little, you can't really see in this light, but it's like a speckly effect, speckly pearl effect. So you put the pearl on after, but if you put too many coats on, it goes too yellow. Not enough coats on, it's too white. And they say you should definitely always blend into the door. But guess what? This is a paint hustle. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and match it just panel to panel, do a really proper like Tesla repair on it, and then if it doesn't look right after that, then I can blend into the door. So we'll do that next. Let's see how it goes. That is a Tesla Model 3 all done. It has been a mission, but we got there in the end and it doesn't look too bad. Hope you enjoy watching, and in the next episode we're going to be getting back on with the Morris Minor. So please like and subscribe, and until next time, peace out.